What's up, everybody? Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making our own Chinese takeout. Get ready to ditch the delivery apps because these recipes are easier than you think, cheaper, and tastier. Like and subscribe. First up, the all-time favorite orange chicken. This dish is a fan favorite, known for its crispy texture and tangy sweet sauce that leaves you craving more. We need about a pound of chicken, cut into bite-sized pieces. Make sure they're uniform so they cook evenly. For the tangy orange sauce, gather your ingredients. This sauce is what makes the dish truly special. You'll need 1/4 cup of soy sauce for that umami flavor and 1/4 cup of honey to add a touch of sweetness. Don't forget 1/4 cup of rice vinegar for a bit of tang, and of course 1/2 cup of fresh orange juice to give it that citrusy punch. Fresh ginger and garlic are essential. Use 1 tablespoon of minced ginger and 2 cloves of minced garlic. They add depth and a bit of spice to the sauce. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to thicken it up. This will give your sauce that perfect consistency. Mix it all together, toss the chicken in, and let it marinate. Even 30 minutes will do wonders for the flavor. Fry the chicken until it's golden brown and crispy. This step is crucial for that perfect texture. Finally, toss the fried chicken in that glorious orange sauce. Make sure every piece is well coated. Now let's get ready to feast and enjoy this takeout classic at home. Next up, we have a beloved takeout classic, General Tso's chicken. This dish is not only simple to make, but also incredibly flavorful and satisfying. First, we need boneless, skinless chicken thighs, about a pound. Cut them into bite-sized pieces for easy cooking. For the marinade, we'll need 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 egg white, and a dash of black pepper. Mix these ingredients well to coat the chicken evenly. While the chicken marinates, let's prep the aromatics. Mince 2 cloves of garlic and a small piece of ginger. These will add a wonderful depth of flavor to our dish. Heat up your wok until it's nice and hot, then add a bit of oil. Fry the chicken until it's golden brown and crispy. Next, add the minced garlic and ginger to the wok. Stir fry for a few seconds until fragrant. For the sauce, we'll need 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. This combination will create a rich, tangy sauce that ties the dish together. Stir everything together, let it simmer for a few minutes to thicken the sauce, and there you have it. Restaurant quality General Tso's chicken, ready to be enjoyed. Kung Pao chicken spice up your life. Ready for some heat? Start with about a pound of chicken cut into bite-sized pieces. For the marinade, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and a pinch of salt. For the spice, 8 dried chilies, 1 teaspoon of Sichuan peppercorns, and a dash of black pepper. Balance it with 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. Heat up your wok, add oil, and get those chilies and peppercorns sizzling. Toss in the chicken, stir fry until cooked, add veggies, and finish with the sauce. Sweet and sour pork, the crowd-pleasing classic. This dish is a staple in Chinese cuisine and a favorite for many. Its perfect balance of sweet and tangy flavors makes it irresistible. We're making it better than takeout. Imagine the satisfaction of creating this delicious dish right in your own kitchen. Start with about a pound of pork, cut into chunks. Choose a tender cut like pork shoulder or loin for the best results. For the coating, you'll need 1/4 cup of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1/4 cup of rice vinegar. These ingredients form the base of our flavorful sauce. Add 1/4 cup of sugar and 1/2 cup of pineapple juice to give it that signature sweetness. The pineapple juice also adds a subtle tropical twist. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of cornstarch for that glossy sauce. It helps thicken the sauce and gives it a beautiful sheen. Whisk it all together until smooth, then toss the pork in, ensuring each piece is well coated. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes to absorb all the flavors. While the pork is marinating, prep your veggies. 1 bell pepper, 1 onion, and 1 cup of pineapple chunks. These add color, crunch, and extra flavor to the dish. Fry the pork to crispy perfection. The goal is to get a nice golden brown crust on the outside while keeping the inside tender and juicy. Sauté the veggies until they're slightly tender but still crisp. Then pour in the sweet and sour sauce, making sure everything is well coated. Let it simmer until the sauce thickens and becomes glossy. This step is crucial for developing the rich, deep flavors. Finally, add back the pork and toss to coat everything evenly. Serve it hot and get ready for a flavor explosion that will delight your taste buds. Wonton soup, cozy comfort food. This one's all about comfort and flavor. First, we need wontons, pre-made or homemade. For the soup base, 4 cups of chicken broth, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, a pinch of white pepper, and a slice of ginger. Bring the broth to a simmer and gently drop in the wontons. Prep garnishes, 2 chopped green onions, a drizzle of sesame oil, and a sprinkle of black pepper. Once the wontons are cooked, ladle the soup into bowls, top with garnishes, and enjoy. There you have it. 5 incredible Chinese takeout recipes that are easy, customizable, and more fun than ordering in. Say goodbye to takeout and hello to homemade deliciousness. Like and subscribe for more awesome recipes and cooking adventures. Happy cooking!